In this video we're going to do a scripted install on one-on-one, and to do that we go to the website www.oneonone.co.uk and we click on the login icon to log in. You'll be given an option of logging into the control panel, shop, or the webmail. We're going to log into the control panel, so just enter your ID here and your password and then click login. Now in this video I'm actually going to install on a test site or a test domain, and I've created the test domain. It's a subdomain of my website here, and I've got it to point to a test directory here. You don't have to do this step. You'll normally be installing straight on your domain, which is whatever you've chosen. Now the test directory isn't going to stay active, because when we do the scripted install it actually installs into a special directory for scripted installs, and I'll show you the final setup later on when we've done the install. So go down to the hosting section and we're looking for the one-on-one App Center, and we need to click on WordPress because we're going to install WordPress. Now you're going to be given a selection of online forms to fill out, and the first one is the website title, so you need to have decided obviously on this in advance. Mine's simply just called WordPress test site. You can change this later after the install if you need. Okay, the next is we need to enter the admin login name, and you're going to choose whatever you want here. Don't choose admin, and enter a password, and remember to keep your password secure. You need to use a series of alphanumerics and some special characters. 7 or 8 characters is enough. Interface language English, and we need to tick on the box I've read the terms and accept the conditions, etc. Okay, now we're going to choose between a managed WordPress and just simple WordPress. Now this one, if you look down, it actually costs you an extra £3 a month, and you don't need this option even though they recommend it. We're going to go to the do-it-yourself option, so we click on this option over here. We select the domain, and I'm going to select my test domain, and then our install goes, and you can see here the install is finished, and there's the title of the site. There's the URL to visit it, and it also gives you the admin URL. I'll show you that in a minute. And you can see it's created a database, and the directory is click and build and WordPress test site, and I'll show you that again in a second. It's no longer the test directory. Now if we go to our site, you can see there is the default theme. It uses the latest theme, and if you want to go to the admin page, you can just type in your website domain name followed by wp-admin, and that takes you there. Usually you will find a link on this page here to take you to the admin page as well. And I've just gone on to the subdomains, and if I look at the test subdomain now, you can see it's pointing to a totally different directory than it was originally. It's the click and build directory, and the subdirectory here is called WordPress test site. It's actually taken from the name of the site that I gave it earlier on, and this is what it looks like if I go down and use FTP to look at the directories. You can see there's a click and build directory, and there's the subdirectory. Now all of my WordPress install files are located under this directory here. They're no longer located, or that it's not using the test directory that I created for it earlier on. Okay, that's it. Very, very simple how to do a scripted install on one-on-one. Until next time, bye.